Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you my first impression of this Maybelline Master Primer Hydrating Makeup Primer. So keep on watching. Hey guys, so like I said, I wanted to hop on here and do my first impression of this Maybelline Master Primer by Face Studio, but it's by Maybelline. I think it's one of their new products from this line. So this makeup primer is a primer base hydrating, smoothing, hydrate to least, I don't know. So maybe it's to protect, not my hair, protect my face. This isn't the first time I've used it. I used it a couple of times already. So, and you don't have to use much of it, like just a pinch, and it just goes all over, and it like dries instantly. Sorry, I keep looking in the mirror. It dries instantly. Not instantly, but about 30 seconds or less, and that's what I like about this one. It comes in 30 milligrams, so 1 ounce. So, and I noticed in the makeup industry that every makeup product comes with a number, and this one is 50. So, and I think I just said that. So, it says on the back, verbally smooths prime skin with Hydrate. Lightweight formula, does not clog pores. So it says that right there. So I picked this up at Walmart it was $5.97, between $5.97 and $7.99, so $6 to $8. I saw it at Target for $7.99, so I don't know if I paid less at Walmart or if it was on sale or what it was. So, also, it's non-grease, so it won't make your face oily or anything. It says on the back. So I'm gonna jump right into it and show you how to apply it on your face. So I am just gonna take this, turn it upside down, it twists. I think, because I did a primer before by Hard Candy, if you want to hop on over there and check it out. I think that this Maybelline little tube is my third or fourth time using it, is better than Hard Candy. So I'm just gonna take this right here and put just a little bit amount on, not very much. And I'm just going to rub it in my hands and put it on my face. What I like about this is you don't have to wait for it to dry. You just put it on and it moisturizes your skin. It is very good. And I have done other primers like the Hard Candy Glow, Sheer, Envy, and I did one a while back, the Hard Candy for sensitive skin. If you want to hop on over there, I have sensitive skin, and so I think this stuff is amazing. It really works for me, but don't come back and quote me on it and say, well, you said, and then I broke out. No, every skin type is different. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to my face. Just add some right there. I already rubbed it in. I put it on like 10 wasn't so I'm like covered by it. So I'm gonna do my foundation and my eyeshadow look. I didn't want to bore you guys with that, so I'm gonna come back with the end result. Hey, so guys, I am back with the end result of this Master Primer by Maybelline by Face Studio. It's the hydrating one, like I said, and if you guys can feel like how soft my skin is, like the first time I've been using hydrating stuff for my skin, but if this stuff is way better than hard candy. Like, I would recommend it to anyone and everyone. You could probably pick it up at your local drugstore. I got it at Walmart. I've seen it at Target. But if you're looking for something to moisturize your skin, this stuff is amazing. I only used it a couple of times, but my first impression to you guys is I will probably be using this again. They have a couple, so I might be trying them out and doing a first impression video. But if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Please also don't forget to like this video, and please, before you leave on your way out, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.